be changing out the windshield wipers on this 2018 Silverado. These wipers are a little bit different than your standard wipers. Only tools needed are your brand new wipers. So we're gonna go ahead and push in, and I like to go ahead and bring that arm down using the old one. Then we're gonna go ahead and get our new windshield wiper. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick it up and we're gonna align it, and we're gonna go ahead and feed it through. You might have to wiggle it. It's like a little rail, like a train, and it pushes in, and make sure you hear that click, as well as pick it up just a bit and remove that plastic lining. We're gonna go ahead and do this on the other side as well. As you can see here, I did have to wiggle it a little bit more because it was a little bit more stubborn to come out. Like I said, you have to push that button in and let that rail come out. So now we're gonna go ahead and use our new wiper, pick it up, and go ahead and slide that through. The reason why I had that old wiper on it is because I have seen many cases where that spring-loaded wiper holder comes down and it does crack the windshield. And go ahead and take that plastic part off. That also is another issue that I have seen. Some people do not remove that plastic lining and no water comes off when they use it. So now we're just going to go ahead and test it, make sure our wipers are working correctly. And just like that, we are good to go.